Today I'm gonna unbox a Kemei hair trimmer with a model number KM264. So I guess they got other colors. I can't remember, but I took this one. And some of the specs. Oh, it's blocked here. Oh, okay. Okay, some of the specs. Got 5 watts, 1400 milliamp battery, 2.5 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time. That's it. Yeah, they got a black one. Okay, this one is black. Yep. They got these two colors. Yo. Inside, just the usual stuffs. Cable, got combs, and a little brush. Oh, okay. I took the black one. I can't even remember. Okay, it's a USB-C charging. I got this hair trimmer for a long time, and I didn't even take a look at it. Okay. Okay, this is a Kemei logo. Okay. This is the usual, nowadays you see most of these hair trimmers, it's all the same, just maybe a little, the body is a little bit different from the other ones. For me, this one and this one, they are the same. Both, for me, they are the same. They got the same blade, everything, I guess Kemei 2299 is also the same, so all are the same. This one, you cannot zero gap it. So, yeah, sound check. Okay, it's rating 6,500 RPMs. Okay, time left 52 minutes. Okay, I guess I need to charge it. So, but first of all, not loud. It's not heavy. See that? The RPM. Yeah, 6,500 RPMs. So for me, these are for home use or something like that, It's cut, It's cut. So you can see it's cut. So, I don't know. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing of this hair trimmer from Kemei. And peace, man.